A few days ago, we have a video that discussed the options to take when you have flight cancellation sa Philippine Airlines at diniscuss doon ang process to refund the ticket. Today, we are going to discuss an option naman for Cebu Pacific passengers who have cancelled flights. This video will explain what you need to know about Cebu Pacific Air's travel fund. Stay tuned and watch the video to know the details. Hello guys, welcome to Denzi TV. This is a public service channel providing you with important updates and information related to current events and domestic travel requirements. Please subscribe to this channel if you need such information, and don't forget to hit the notification bell and select all so you can receive all the updates as they come and you won't miss anything. So what is a travel fund? A travel fund is a virtual wallet used to store the total amount you've paid for an existing booking. This can be used as form of payment for booking a new flight and purchasing add-ons in the future. A travel fund is usually offered for canceled flights or for flights with schedule changes of more than 60 minutes. Due to the COVID-19 situation, Cebu Pacific Air is offering travel fund option and unlimited rebooking even if the flight is not canceled nor changed. The idea here is that you can convert your canceled flights to a travel fund which you can use for your future travels or bookings. This is a brilliant idea by Cebu Pacific Air to avoid refunds and so that passengers can keep the money for future bookings. What are the benefits of having a travel fund? First, long validity. Validity of travel fund is now extended to 2 years. Dati kasi, 3 months lang ito, and now that it's 2 years, it will give you plenty of time to decide on your next adventure. Second benefit, faster payment and booking. With the existence of a travel fund, you can now easily complete your booking whenever you are ready to travel again, even if you are short on cash. Third, surprises. So owners of a travel fund may receive exclusive offers from Cebu Pacific Air. Now that we know how amazing it is to have a travel fund, let us discuss how to convert your canceled flights to a travel fund. There are two ways to do this. First is to convert existing flight to a travel fund as voluntary change, and to convert existing flight to a travel fund due to flight cancellation. If you decided to cancel your travel and convert it to a travel fund, here's what you need to do. If you have a GetGo account, these are the steps that you need to take. First is log into your account using this URL. Search for the specific flight under your My Bookings menu, then click the Manage button. Choose Cancel Flight, then follow the instructions to convert your flight to a travel fund. Once completed, your funds will be stored to your GetGo account. If you don't have a GetGo account, here's what you need to do. First, go to this URL to manage your flight. Next, retrieve your booking by entering your booking reference number and the last name of any of the passengers. Choose Cancel Flight, then follow the instructions to convert. And once completed, your funds will be stored in Cebu Pacific Air system under your booking reference number and name. If your flight was canceled due to unforeseen circumstances, here's what you need to do. If you have a GetGo account, you can convert your flight to a travel fund following these steps. Log into your account using this URL. Search for the specific flight under My Bookings, then click the Manage button. A travel fund option will be shown. Follow the instructions to complete your conversion to the travel fund. Once completed, your funds will be stored to your GetGo account. If your flight was canceled but you don't have a GetGo account, here's what you need to do. Go to this website to manage your flight. Retrieve your booking by entering your booking reference number and the last name of any of the passengers. A travel fund option will be shown, and you have to follow the instructions. Once completed, your funds will be stored in the system of Cebu Pacific under your booking reference number and name. If you booked your flight with a travel agency and you used one form of payment only like cash or credit when you purchased your ticket, you can convert your booking to a travel fund by following the steps mentioned. For multiple forms of payment in one transaction like cash plus credit card, you must coordinate with your respective travel agent for assistance in the conversion. Now that you've finished converting your booking to a travel fund, it's time to check your travel fund balance. How to do it? Here are the steps. For GetGo account holders, you have to log into your account using this URL. Don't worry, I'll be posting this URL in the video description below. Click the profile icon at the top right portion of the page and click My Travel Fund. After that, you can view your travel fund details. For those without a GetGo account, you can still check your travel fund details by following these steps. Again, go to this URL to manage your flight. Retrieve your booking by entering your booking reference number and the last name of any of the passengers. Click My Travel Fund to view the details. Now that you have your travel fund and you have known and checked the details, it's time to know also how to use and redeem your travel fund. For GetGo account holders, here are the steps. Log into your account using this URL, which I will post in the description below. Book your flight as usual through the Cebu Pacific Air portal. And when you reach the payment page, select Travel Fund as your form of payment. For those without GetGo account, you can use or redeem your travel fund using the following steps. First, book your flight at cebupacificair.com. When you reach the payment page, select Travel Fund as your form of payment. Enter your travel fund's booking reference number and click Use Travel Fund. Click Pay Now to confirm your booking. Other important information about your travel fund includes the following. Use your travel fund to book for any domestic or international destination. If a travel fund is insufficient, you may top up using credit or debit card or other payment options to pay for the remaining amount. So don't worry if kulang ang nasa loob ng iyong travel fund because you can always top up. And those are the details about travel fund that you need to know as a Cebu Pacific Air passenger. So next time your flight is canceled or next time you change your mind and decide not to travel anymore and cancel your flight, you can always convert your booking to a travel fund that you can use for your future bookings. Thank you so much for watching the video. This has been Denzi TV at your service. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will receive all the updates as they come. Thank you so much po and have a nice day.